Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can fix the issue of not being able to send money on Cash App. So for that you can simply update your Cash App and make sure that it is up to date, and after that is if the problem still persists, then you can always go to your settings and scroll down a little bit. Then you will be able to find this option of apps. The way to open this up might be different in different phones. All you have to do is just open up your apps, and there you need to open up Cash App. And after opening up Cash App, just go to its storage, and there you will be able to find this option of cache or the app data. Just clear up the cache memory of Cash App and then try to see whether your problem has been fixed or not, as this clears up all the glitches or the bugs that are there in this app. And if the problem still persists, then you can always go to your Cash App, and here just click on your profile, which is on the top right, and then scroll down and click on support. And here you will be able to see this option of chat. Just click on it and chat with the customer support and tell them that you are facing this problem, and they will be able to help you out with your issue better. And that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.